Welcome to my channel Comical World. If you are not watched the previous videos, just check it out the description. I give it a link and click and check the previous videos. Suppose if you are already watched the previous video, just continue the video and let's start the story. Night of the Living Deadpool. Hello, I am Deadpool and I am recovering flesh eating cannibal. Hi Deadpool, I guess this is the part where I own up to all the pain and mystery that being temporarily undead and eating people has caused for me and for the people around me. But sometimes tells me that part of the story is already been spoiled for you. I want to say it's not my fault. I thought my healing factor would keep me from, brains. But I guess the only thing I should be saying is, I am sorry. We both are. Ain't it that right, Clarence?
I never wanted any of this to happen. Science is supposed to help, but who is gonna help me?
It's alright.
I always wanted to win the Nobel Prize.
Me and you, Clarence, we are gonna set these things right. We are gonna fix the whole wide world. And nobody gonna stop us. Get it? Nobody? I got millions of enemy. You would be surprised how often decapitation jokes comes in handy in my line of work.
I was gonna win the Nobel Prize.
Yeah, so you said. But I'm pretty sure working for a terrorist organization like AIM precludes from nomination. Here is what I'm curious about. You are just a head. You have got no lungs and even if you did, you don't breathe. So how is it you are still talking? If this is another hallucination, I'm gonna be ready, embarrassed. So lead the way, Clarence.
I had a nice uniform. I was a part of a team.
Head in the game, Clarence. Head in the game. Heck, I don't know. Maybe I was dreaming. But before he died, before I took a big bite out of him and turned him into a zombie, Clarence had said that the outbreaks had starting with experiments with the healing factors. He had been there and maybe he could help me to find a cure. He wasn't the best traveling companion, but he was all I had. Maybe he wasn't talking. Maybe I was it all just a figment of my imagination. Sometimes he muted, go south or turn left. I laughed for a 30-minute straight when he told me to head west. But he was the best friend I had in those days. And he got me where I was going. Good job, Clarence. I know you would find the place. I don't suppose you know a secret zombie free way inside through, do you?
Greg.
Oh man, your brain finally turned into jelly in there, huh? It's alright, that I will do. Pick. Now let daddy get to work. Who has a katana in one hand, an undead scientist head in the other, and hates zombies? This guy.
Please, I don't want this. The taste like a phantom taste bud syndrome. Kill me. Kill me first.
Fly, Clarence, fly!
Why can't I wake up?
I guess that's why they call me working man. Come on, Clarence, we still got stuff to do. Go get your head straight. Oh, maybe all that gunfires wasn't such a good idea. Nobody goes to one of Duncan and Poison's home. Ground chorizo tasting parties without feeling the burn of the true fear. See, it's time. Like this, I think the world is just out to show me what unrelating terror feels like. The joke's on you, world. I already know what unrelating terror feels like. Show me the way, Clarence. You and your mad scientist pals used these facilities to cook up the zombie virus. Now you and your bestest bud, Deadpool, are gonna brew a cure. How can I be certain that me and brain-chilled zombies such of yourself can do this? Peace out. I'm Deadpool. I'm fly without the safety net of knowing what the hell is I'm doing. I just need you to point me I'm right direction, Clarence. You can do that, can't you? I know, yeah, could. Flashlight and zombie head. That leaves me a strapping for a stabbing and shooting hands. Oh, quite terribly a chin. This just works best for everyone involved. And you can still be a good little guide. 1 grunt for getting colder, 2 for getting warmer. And once we get to the point and once we get to the lab, I will pop the flashlight out and you can walk me through the chemistry 101. That's a spirit. Hold on. That wasn't you, was it?
Somebody tell me why this is happening. Sorry, so sorry. Why God? I feel so hangover.
Party crashers, get to County Clarence. Tell me where. Whoa! Oh, this is just cross.
So angry. Mama would be so disappointed. I just want to close my eyes.
Get off! Run, fast as you can. Or you know, shamble, as clumsy as you can. Either way, you can't catch me. I'm the fucking gingerbread man. A lot of your scientist buddies didn't make it out alive, Clarence. And for a super sciencey lab, you must not have had a best ventilation system. Phew, there is no regeneration in the memory of that smell away. What's that, Clairbeer? Are we getting? So much for walking me through the nooks and crannies of your secret laboratory. That wasn't meant to sound so lewd. It's alright though. You done good. Every time your 9 rings, an angel gets the wings. You got me this far. The rest is on. Fuck me. Just look at it all. All super healing formula. All of it derived from Hello Handsome. That's a whole mess of Deadpools.
I think I'm lost. I don't think I could eat another bite. Where are we going now?
So they were right on top of me. No deadhead scientist to help me. No time to hunt and pick my way through developing a cure for the zombie virus. There were no other exits, no brilliant escapes. Exits and escapes, brilliance. Not my style anyhow. Only one thing left to do, and that's something really stupid. Not much of plan really, more like an act of desperation. Pumping myself full of Deadpool healing factor. Go juice. Hope it keeps me from going all cannibalistic. Alright you soulless pucks, let's cha-cha. So I figured I might as well go out in a blaze of glory. Young gun style. I came here to whip up a cure. But that just wasn't in the card. I admit I had hoped the scrum overdose would turn me into an unstoppable zombie killing machine. Roid rage against the dying of the lights. Yeah, that didn't work out of the way I planned either. So what? You undead asshats gonna wander around aimlessly, or are you gonna get yourself a taste of a mouth-watering hunk of a man? Step on up. The buffet is open for a business. That's how the old saying goes, right? If you can't beat enemy, let them eat you alive. Zombies biting down to the bone, lapping up marrow. These zombies bites play havoc with my healing factor, but the scarum packs up hell of an infections kick, which I guess this is why something really unexpected happened. Well, this is different. I'm me. I'm Deadpool. No, I'm Deadpool. You can't be Deadpool. I'm Deadpool. Although I prefer to be called Wade. It will take a little getting used to this whole sentient virus thing. But to the zombies, I was delicious. Each and every one of me. And once a deadhead took a bite, that insatiable hunger for a human flesh, I was just gone. Instead of hunger, there was my healing factor, my consciousness, infecting zombie after zombie. An army of Deadpools, growing one bite at a time. What one saw, we all saw. When one of us had a dirty thought, we all giggled. And as awareness spread from one undead body to the next, I could only think one unfilled thought. Omnipotence won't be all that bad. End? So this part of the story is completed now, and in the story is continued with the Deadpool vs Carnage comic line. So I will do that video in later, but now if you like the story, if you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel and support me. Tata, bye bye.